So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. So guys, then enter the model number Ink Advantage Ultra 4929. So you can see it's not getting, so select this is Ultra 499 series. Okay, so 4929 also coming in this series, so select this. Okay, then choose your operating system. If you are using difference, like you by default detect Windows 10, suppose you have Windows 11 8.1 like that, so select this and then click to update. Also this different OS are developed like Mac OS, ISO, Android, and then okay, so almost same process of installations. So you can see this is the of online setup, internet connection required for driver installations. Okay, okay, and this is driver scanner. Okay, this is basics driver, you can see. Okay, and this is firmware. You have to update the firmware, so just click to download it. This is basic driver, so just click to download. Wait few seconds, it will be ready to download. After that we try to install driver. You can see the downloading is started. Just single click to install. Now this is extracting data. Then click to yes. So you can see this driver is loaded to your system. Then guys, click to accept all and continue. So guys, you can see if you are install the new printer, so select this one. If you are already existing and you are connect with your environment or your offices, so select this and new. So this symbols by cable. Okay, if you are connect to USB cable, like you can see using USB cable, so select this one on array. Then already existing, so select this. So you can see Wi-Fi, LAN, and USB all are there. Okay, so select this. If you are new printer, so select this one and then click to continue. So wait few seconds, so printer is searching on your system. If you are not getting printer, so connect to USB to your printer and then next to install, and after that restart. And if you know the IP address, you can enter like that. What's your printer IP address, you can contact to your network administrator, desktop administrator, and then click to search. It will show, and then next to install it, and then restart printer and system both. Thank you.